In this video, we are going to discuss about how to create a new presentation in PowerPoint. Now, when you start PowerPoint, a new presentation is opened by default, as you can see here. But if you want to start a new one, here is how you are going to do that. So first, click on the Office button. Inside Office button, there is a option called New. So click on New. A dialog box appears. The name is New Presentation. You can see there are various options to create a new presentation, and also there are some options which are offered online. But in this video, you can see how you want to create a new presentation from this option. So the blank and recent option is selected by default, and under the blank and recent there is selected by default is blank presentation. So you just click on the create button. If you click create button, a new presentation appears. The blank presentation allows you to build your presentation from scratch. You can design your own slide. You can apply the font style, font color of your own. And in using this view, more slides you add, all will appear with this white background and the two places to add the title and the subtitle. So blank presentation helps us to create a presentation of our own choice, using our own design, using our own color. But there are some more options in the new presentation dialog box. Let's see one by one. So click on this new button once again. There is install theme and install template. So what is the difference between these two, the theme and the template? So I first click on install theme. When I click on install theme, the themes which are installed in my PowerPoint appears here. The themes contains, as you can see, the background color, the font color, the font design, etc. Means the different design you want to apply on your slide all appears in the theme. You can see the background colors of different theme are different. The font color, even the font style, all are different. So let's first choose one theme from here. Any theme. You can choose your own theme. I am choosing this one and I click on the create button. So you can see a slide appears with the chosen design, with the chosen font style and font color. If I click here and write anything, I can write anything that will appear with the chosen font style, font color. So the advantage of theme that you have to just put your content in the slide without bothering about how they are going to look, because the look and the feel is already settled by the theme. Every new slide you enter in your presentation will contain the same theme. Now what is the template then? So once again click on the Office button and click on New. Now we are going to install templates. So these are the install templates. So what is the difference between the theme and the template? Because you can see that these templates also contain the background, also contain the font size, font color, the stylish part, the styling part. The difference between the theme and the template is that in the template there is content also which is not present in the theme part. The theme only provide you the background style, the font style. You have to put your own content without bothering about the design part. So theme help you to do that. Just put the content, don't think about the design. The look is already set by the theme. But using template, it also offer you the content you are gonna put in your slides. So my presentation, my PowerPoint offers me this templates. So from using this, if you want to create a quiz show using your PowerPoint, you can choose this template. You can choose this template and you can click on the create button. So a presentation appears with a quiz show template. You can see there are total 8 slides which contains different quiz questions with answer. So all you have to do is put your own question. So if you want to create a quiz show using a PowerPoint presentation, you can just simply change the questions. You don't have to bother about the appearance of your slide. You don't have to bother about how the questions and the answers will appear on your slide. Nothing. The contents is preset. If you want to use this design, you can do that. If you want to change the content, you can do that. Just simply click here and change the question. That's all. So templates provide the pre-content slides to you. So it is more helpful than the theme. So for theme you have to put the content. For template you can use the template as it is, or you can modify the content. Now there are 2 more options in the new presentation dialog box. One is my templates. So what is my templates? When I click on my templates, another window appears. So those presentation which I save as my template, suppose you create a presentation with the design you like, with the font style you like, and you want to save this presentation for the future to use it as the template. So just you save it as the template, and thereafter you can use this template as the background of your new presentations. So just like the quiz show I already showed you, you can create your own quiz show template and you can save it in your PowerPoint, and then that template you can use for future. So my template provides all the templates you have saved in your PowerPoint. So choose any one and click on OK, and you will create a new presentation using your own template. And there is the last option, new from existing. So what is this new from existing? You already created a presentation and you saved it. Now you want to create a new presentation from that saved presentation. So you don't have to think about the background back there, don't have to think about the placement of your content, nothing. You want to create a new presentation that you already saved previously. So if you click on new from existing, a new from existing presentation dialog box appears on the screen, and you can choose your saved presentation from it and use it as a new one. So these are the 5 options you can use to create a new presentation, but most frequently used options are blank presentation, where you can start your presentation from the scratch. You add your own background and font style and your own content, but if you don't have the time to do that all, means you have to add the content, you have to add the background, add the styles and all that, just simply use the template or theme if you already have a presentation in your mind. So look at the templates, see what is your matching your ideas, you can use that, or you go for the temp themes. If nothing of the template matching your ideas, you can simply go to the themes part. You can simply choose the design that will apply in your presentation, and then you just put in the contents. So the first 3, the blank and recent, install template and install theme, these 3 are most frequently used new presentation options in the PowerPoint. And if you have an updated Microsoft Office, you can even use this online template options. So here is how you create a new presentation in PowerPoint.